All right, I'm just going to show you a couple tips with the tripod I have. It's a Gorilla tripod. I like using it because I can use it for a stable shot where I put it down like this, and then I can take video of something. I can stand in front of it, take video, but I also can use it to, if I want to actually do something that's moving, or someone actually I'm interviewing that's walking, I can pretty easily use my body as a stabilizer. I have to remember to walk real short steps without bouncing as much as possible. This allows me to get that angle. I also, if you want to get a low view, you can take it and turn this camera upside down with your tripod and just grab onto it, and it allows me to get a low down view. And then when I go into editing, I can turn the video upside down, which will make it so that I can have that low down view. A lot of you guys are going to be doing things like things in cars where you're going to have to get underneath the car and be able to see what's going on. You're going to want to have a light, and you're going to want to have a camera that can get down that low. This Sony Steady Shot's a good one, GoPro's a good one, but really your phone can work. Is this more dangerous? You might drop it or something like that.